Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to move files from OneDrive to PC. Alright, so let's begin. So there are basically two easy ways to do this. The first method is to simply download the file from OneDrive. Simply select the file and click on download button. Once the file is downloaded, it will automatically be saved on your PC. From there, you can move it to any folder you want, organize it, or use it however you need. Now the second method is a bit more direct if you're using File Explorer. Just open File Explorer on your PC and go to the OneDrive section from the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see all your synced OneDrive files. Now find the file you want to move, right-click on it and select Cut if you want to remove it from OneDrive or Copy if you want to keep a backup. After that, go to the folder on your PC where you want to place the file. Right-click anywhere inside the folder and click Paste. And that's it. Your file will now be moved from OneDrive to your PC successfully, and that's it. This is how you can move files from OneDrive to PC. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.